Good afternoon and welcome to Kingsbridge. My name is Harry. I'm just going to show you around this very, very special 2023 73 plate Audi RS3 Vorsprung that has just landed in stock with us. The main thing that makes this car very, very special is the colour. This is Merlin Purple. It's one of my all-time favourite colours. And on this thing, just looks absolutely insane. Very, very unlikely you'll see another one like this with this colour. This is a two-owner car. Now, the previous owner actually won this on one of those car raffles, but he literally worked about less than a mile away from, lived half a mile away from where he worked, so never used it. So we bought it from him. It's covered only, I think it's 4,600 miles, full Audi service history, 2 keys, absolutely stunning condition. Just a very, very special car, this. It's also been fitted with a full exterior carbon kit from Automotive Passion, which has been done really, really nicely. It's also been lowered ever so slightly on some Eibach springs. You obviously got matrix LED headlights, all of the black exterior, and all the Audi rings, everything, all in black. The colour is just insane on this. Obviously, being the Vorsprung, you do get things like the panoramic glass roof. It's very nice 19-inch alloy wheels with the black calipers. Again, more carbon fibre on the side skirts on the side. And again, condition on this car, can't really emphasise enough how nice this thing is. Interior with the RS Super Sport seats, with obviously all the quilting in the leather, pan roof, matte carbon interior trims, Bang & Olufsen sound system, illuminated, Doorsills on there as well, electric heated seats, driver's memory on this one. Obviously all of your window trims are in black. Please excuse that, I think we've got a bird in here somewhere, so I'll get that wiped off afterwards. Rear seats, doubt they've probably ever been used in this. Really nice carbon spoiler. I like with the kit on this is it's quite subtle. It does look factory, to be fair. The spoiler's a nice side of aggressive. And again, you have got that carbon rear diffuser with the sports exhaust from Audi on there as well. Reverse camera, front and rear parking sensors, power boot. For me personally, this is the absolute daddy of the hot hatch. I love a Golf R, but these are just better. All the original kit in the back, net for the storage, etc. Warning triangle. Just looks insane in this colour though, with all the black. It's very, very nice, this. All the wheels completely unmarked. Pirelli P0s all around. I think they're as close to brand new as you're gonna get on the rear. Fronts are probably 5+ mil. You wouldn't need to do anything with this car anytime soon. And again, it's really nice to see one of these so free of any sort of marks in the paint or anything like that. No real stone chip damage on the front end. It's been really, really well looked after. Again, it's only done, you know, just over 4,000 miles, less than 5,000 miles. You see the mileage there, 4,600 miles. Again, you've got memory functions for your driver's seat. So it's telling me off for opening the door. If you see it there, but you have got heads-up display. You just see it there. Audi virtual cockpit. So on there you can have all of your different views, your maps, whatever it is you want on there. Reversing camera, and then all the usual good stuff in here. You've got the RS torque converter, and then your RS performance. You've got suspension, steering, then the usual engine bits in dynamic, and then individual to choose exactly how you like the car set up to your preference. And then in there, satellite navigation, DAB, Bluetooth, the all-important Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And and loads of different apps and things that you can get in these. And then you've got your own screens that you can set up to your liking. Down here, obviously dual climate control, heated seats, park assist, so that's your sort of self park, stop start, drive mode select, parking sensors, wireless charger, USB-C ports, some gloss black bits down here, your stop start button, gear select, etc., adjustable armrest, adaptive cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist. Again, you've got the matrix LED headlights, so you'll notice up in that top corner you've got the auto select on there as well, automatic lights, wipers, etc., auto dimming, folding mirrors, LED interior headlights, interior lights, all the usual bits you'd expect, but just a very, very, very nice example. This, it's been really, really well looked after. Ambient lighting as well, I don't know if I mentioned, you've got ambient lighting throughout the cabin, all down there. Just a mega car though, this. I would expect this thing's not going to last very long at all. Last service done by Audi, as I mentioned, I think that was done off the top of my head, I think it was September, at just short of 3,000 miles, September of last year. So this thing is absolutely ready to go, looks absolutely insane. About as nice as you're ever going to find one of these, and one of the rarest colours you're ever going to find on this car, which I also must admit I think is the best colour for it. It could not suit it any better. Looks insane. Vorsprung spec, not more you could want out of an everyday two-in-one car. Something for the weekend, something you can put the family in. Mega bit of kit. If you are interested in this, please do give us a call. I can't imagine this is going to hang around very long at all, so please do give us a call, speak to one of the members of the team here at Kingsbridge. And again, if you are new to us here, we get very exciting cars like this in all the time, so please do subscribe to the channel, see our latest cars coming in and out here at Kingsbridge, and we shall see you on the next one. Full details for this will be linked in the description below, which will take you to an advert on our website. And again, we look forward to speaking to anyone that's interested in this mega car. Thanks again for watching, see you on the next one.